Hi everyone. Today I will show you very important things. What is it copy trading? How you can trade even if you don't have any experience in trading. In this video you will see everything step by step. So please like to subscribe to my channel. Today I show you the VIX exchange. Use my link for get it free $10 to your account just for registration. You need very simple steps. First, use the link, get it free $10. Then you can press the deposit and you can buy the crypto. You can use P2P trading, it's 0% of fees, or you can use the card Apple Pay or Google Pay, Pix or SEPA. So then when you get the USDT in your account, go into the web and press the copy trade. What is it, copy trade? So it's mean you can copy all top traders, even if you don't have any experience. For example, let's look this trader. And you can see all the information about this trader. How many percent he get it, his spin, how many wins, how many lows, and what leverage he will use. For example, this one trader uses 200x. Very good things. Let's see other traders. For example, this one, it's win rate 100%. Very interesting trader. Really, very interesting. So, zero lost, 227 people copy. All ROI, it's $168,000. It's not bad. And the ROI, it's 655%. No one bank, no one business give you this money, but you must understand in copy trading, if you choose the bad trader, one trader can bring you money, the other can lost your money. So before you choose the trader, you must read all the information about the risk. And if you started use a small money, use the, for example, $100 or some small amount, and then when you understand everything, when you have experience, then you can choose it. So let's see in what part he is working. It's Ethereum, 400x leverage. His ROI, it's crazy ROI, 1000%, 577%. It's not bad trader, really not bad. And let's see. And you can find in his portfolio have the minus, but it's not mean he have the minus in the end. So I think he is wait. And all it's long. I don't know why. And let's see the copies. So for example, this one, he invests $10,000 and right now make more than 100%. Right now his account it's $90,000. And this one, he invests $150 and right now he have 800. Other one, he invest 578 and right now 700. This one it's 195 and right now have 500. So it's not bad trader. Let's see more information about him. And this one, I will tell you, you can try even with small money. So this one, he invest $34 and already make 300%, $78 he have right now. Very, very interesting copy trading. And if you choose, for example, this trader or some trader else, just press the copy, read all the information, press I have read it and then agreed it to about the agreement, press confirm, like this, and before you started, read all information. It's very simple. So you can copy with small amount from $10. You can copy. I'm not sure it's enough money. No, it's not enough. Better it's 100 or more. And press it next, 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 next. And it's finished. You copy all his trader. But you must to think the risky, it's very, very important. So it's all for now. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.